Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this genuine Toyota OEM fuel tank cap. So there's the part number 77310-48020. Just picked it up from my local Toyota dealership. Pimping out my 2000 Toyota Tacoma, so gotta get one of these. Gasket on my current one has cracked, so brand new. Wow, this is really nice, really clean. It says caution, remove slowly. Yeah, tighten until clicks. Always good to get genuine Toyota parts for some of this stuff. So yeah, there we go. That's what it looks like. Hope you're all doing well. More Toyota Tacoma parts coming soon on this channel. Cool. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. Later.